Joy Enterprises Corporation Limited. Copyright 2002. Characters.
Hi. Hi, I'm Roger the Rain Cloud.
Hi, I'm Tree.
Hi, I'm Flower.
Hi, I'm Mr. Bird.
Hi, I'm Miss Bird. Hi, I'm Farmer's Wife.
Hi, I'm Farmer.
Hi, I'm Farmer's Children.
Hi, I'm Father Horse.
Hi, I'm Mother Horse. Hi, I'm Baby Horse. Roger is floating around in the sky. He is a rain cloud.
He's a happy little rain cloud, but he has no friends.
He floats around and around.
He's looking for friends. Then he sees Tree and Flower.
Hi, I'm Roger. I'm a very happy rain cloud.
What do you want?
Will you be my friend?
Do you have any water?
Look at my petals. They were open.
And look at my leaves. They're yellow and brown. We're dying. Will you give us some water?